don't get caught up in disrespect. There's very few, believe it or not, disrespect is probably the lowest number of behaviors we have in our schools. Does that sound bizarre? It's because of the way we define respect. Respect is personal. You've destroyed something in the school. You've destroyed a monument. You've come right up to my face and told me where to go to take my mother with me and what route to take. You've gotten right in the kid's face next to you and told them that they're ugly, they're terrible, they smell bad. That's personal. So directed comments are blatant acts of disrespect. So be careful that you don't start calling things like refusing to do your work, saying no, getting under the table, putting your head down, rolling your eyes, making a comment, talk back. People get hung up on that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.